In today's video, I'll show you how to shut down without updating your Windows 11 laptop or PC. Now, when an update comes, it forces you to update before you shut down. So if you go to Start, click on the power button, you cannot simply click on Shutdown. It will be called Update and Shutdown, which will force your computer be turned on for extra few minutes or probably even hours. So to fix that and shut down immediately, what you have to do is just follow me. I'll show you 2 steps to immediately shut down your computer by bypassing that Windows 11 update. So at first, what you have to do is just go to your search and search for CMD. Then click on Run as Administrator. This is very important. And after that, give it some permission if it asks for it. And after that, just paste this command or just type out this command, which is shutdown space /p. Just give this command and hit enter and your computer will shut down. And that will work, but still a method 2 is just go to your search and search for control panel. Then just open up control panel. From here, make sure view by is set to large icons instead of category and small icons. Then just go inside power options. From here, from the left hand menu, you have to choose what the power buttons do. Just click on this. And as you can see, my current, when I press the power button, it's set to shut down. If you're asleep or something else, just set it to shut down. Now, if you're on a laptop, you'll see 2 options. One for on battery, another for when plugged in. Make sure both the options for when I press the power button is set to shut down. And after that, click on Save Changes and then exit it. And after that, just go ahead and click the power button and your computer should be shut down without needing to update it. And basically that is it. And that is how to shut down without updating your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.